This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now, where we bring you the 3 E's: educate, empower, and engage. I'm your host, Harvey Blankfeld, along with our co-host, Shelley Brown, and we've been selling homes here in Southern Nevada since 1988. Shelley and I are also very proud to be part of the Real Estate Radio Network. That is a national network of local real estate professionals delivering timely, balanced truths about local market conditions. I mentioned earlier in the program that I was going to talk a little bit about a change in Fannie and Freddie, and I want to talk about that right now, because what happened was Fannie and Freddie are changing their loan limits. Now, Fannie and Freddie, in case you don't know, those are the people who support basically conforming loans, conventional loans, when you do a mortgage. And the balance was $417,000. You probably heard us mention that a few times throughout the program. But they're raising it now to $424,100. And this is happening January 1. We got this notification from the Federal Housing Finance Agency. It came out on the 23rd of November to let us know about this, and it came out from Corinne Russell. She's one of the media contacts there. I called her and spoke to her in Washington to get clarity, because one of the questions I had was, okay, happens January 1. What does that mean? Right. Can I initiate a loan now and finish in January? Do I have to wait till January before I initiate the loan? And she actually had one of her economists come on the phone with me, and we talked it through. And here's the reality of it: you could actually start a loan right now. And until Fannie and Freddie buy it, that's when that number comes into effect. So it's unlikely they're going to buy it in the next 30 days. Right. If you initiate something now. So if you're going to close after January 1, you can borrow up to $424,100 instead of $417. So it went up around, $7,000.
Where do they get that number? Do we know?
I don't know, but you can borrow more than that, folks. It's just that you would have to pay a jumbo loan rate for it.
Right. Yeah, this was the number that for conforming conventional loans. Then the next level is jumbo loans, as Shelley described, and that could go up to huge numbers. But when you're talking about the basic Fannie Freddie product, that's what it means. And this is an important number for those people out there looking to buy right now, because now you just got a little more buying power. Mm-hmm. And those people who are listed, here's the thing that's really exciting: for those people who are listed at like 450 or right in those 400 range, your potential buyer just got a little more buying power, just a tiny bit more. You might put them over the top, depending upon where you're priced out there. So it's an important number. It's a small move, but it's a significant move in the sense that it's been 417 for a long time.
I was going to say, it hasn't changed in years.
Long time.
So it's a signal that the economy's better, that maybe lending is loosening up a little bit. Mm-hmm. So it's a good thing.
And they calculated. I spoke with her. I heard way more than I needed to. But she was very nice. She was very kind. She spoke to me at length and had the economist speaking to me. And I think that the calculations are based on some algorithms that they developed. But the point is that it's going up, and this is a good news. The other thing I heard, and this is not from her, but this is from some lenders in the office, that FHA is considering a similar move after the first of the year, that they may raise their limit, which is another big, significant thing for us. It increases buying power in our market, and it helps the overall market to increase that buying power. There's like I'm working with a buyer right now who knows he can only borrow $417, to maintain conforming loan, because he can't do a jumbo. He can't do a jumbo for a variety of reasons because of some historical things, but he can do conventional. So he's kind of stuck and waiting. Now he's going to find out after the first year, hey, great news, I can go to 424 if I want to. Right. If I want to. So it's big news. It's another change in our market. It's across the country. It's happening. And then there's some markets where it's higher. There are certain parts of the country where they will actually do a higher number, as high as $637,000.
Yeah, it has to be like New York, San Francisco, other areas with higher average sales price. The number is
some
higher.
of the more expensive cities, as Shelley described exactly.
You've been listening to Las Vegas Real Estate Now with hosts Harvey Blankfeld and Shelley Brown. Please tune in every Saturday at 11 a.m. right here on News Talk 720 KDWN.